What is creative vision? Creative vision is more than just imagination. It is the ability to spot opportunities and act on them. It involves two types of imagination: synthetic and creative. Synthetic imagination combines existing ideas, concepts, and facts in new ways. Creative imagination originates entirely new ideas, believed to stem from the subconscious mind. Creative vision leverages both types to turn ideas into tangible achievements. Can you give an example of creative vision in action? Thomas Edison's invention of the incandescent light bulb perfectly illustrates creative vision. He combined the known principle of heating a wire with electricity to produce light with the concept of using a vacuum and a carbon filament to prevent burnout. This synthesis of ideas resulted in a groundbreaking invention. What role does persistence play in creative vision? Persistence is crucial. Creative individuals rarely give up until they find solutions. Edison, for example, persisted through thousands of failed attempts before perfecting the light bulb. Definiteness of purpose fuels this relentless pursuit. How can I develop my own creative vision? Developing creative vision involves cultivating specific habits and mindsets. Become alert to opportunities. Actively seek and recognize possibilities that align with your goals. Embrace opportunities with definiteness of purpose. Move decisively and with unwavering commitment when you spot an opportunity. Plan your actions through organized endeavor. Don't just dream. Create a structured plan and execute it diligently. Utilize the mastermind principle. Collaborate and exchange ideas with others to gain diverse perspectives and insights. Cultivate faith and eliminate self-imposed limitations. Believe in your ability to achieve your vision. Go the extra mile. Consistently exceed expectations to attract favorable opportunities. Be attuned to the needs and desires of others. Understand the problems and aspirations of people around you. Take initiative and assume responsibility. Be proactive and accountable for your actions and decisions. What is the difference between imagination and creative vision? While related, they are not the same. Imagination is the ability to form mental images and concepts. Creative vision builds upon imagination, adding the critical elements of recognizing opportunity, taking action, and achieving tangible results. What are some common obstacles to developing creative vision? Lack of self-belief. Doubting your abilities and potential can stifle creative vision. Fear of failure. The apprehension of making mistakes can prevent you from taking necessary risks. Limiting beliefs. Negative self-talk and preconceived notions about what you can achieve can hinder progress. Lack of persistence. Giving up easily when faced with challenges prevents you from reaching your full potential. Focusing on getting something for nothing. True achievement comes from contributing value and going the extra mile. Are there any examples of creative vision outside the realm of inventions? Absolutely. The creation of the first mail-order house is a prime example. A telegraph operator saw an opportunity to utilize idle telegraph lines to sell products. This creative approach revolutionized retail and created a new industry. What is the significance of creative vision in today's world? Creative vision is more critical now than ever. It fuels innovation, solves complex problems, and drives progress in every field. By cultivating this essential ability, we can unlock new possibilities, create opportunities, and shape a better future. What is the significance of the saying, "Thoughts are things"? While not literally true, this saying highlights the powerful creative force of thoughts. Thoughts have the ability to inspire ideas, plans, and actions that ultimately lead to the manifestation of their physical equivalents. In essence, thoughts lay the foundation for the creation of reality. Can thoughts be controlled and directed towards specific goals? Absolutely. Through self-discipline and the development of purposeful habits, thoughts can be influenced, controlled, and directed. This process, called transmutation, allows individuals to harness the power of their thoughts and shape their desired outcomes. What are the key components involved in organizing thoughts for achievement? Organized thought for achievement involves several key elements. Definiteness of purpose, having a clear, specific goal. A sound plan, a practical roadmap for achieving the goal. Mastermind alliance, collaborating with others who possess complementary skills and experience. Belief, an unwavering conviction in the attainability of the goal. What is the role of the subconscious mind in achieving goals? The subconscious mind serves as a vital link between the conscious mind and infinite intelligence, the ultimate source of all power. By repeatedly impressing desires and goals upon the subconscious mind, it takes over and works tirelessly to bring them into reality. How do habits influence the process of organized thought? Habits, both mental and physical, play a crucial role in shaping thoughts and actions. Controlled habits, formed through conscious effort and repetition, help direct thoughts and actions towards desired outcomes. Uncontrolled habits, often stemming from environmental influences, can lead to unproductive thought patterns and actions. What is social heredity and how does it affect thinking? Social heredity encompasses the influence of environmental factors, education, experiences, and external stimuli on an individual's thoughts and beliefs. It explains why individuals often adopt the beliefs and thought patterns of those around them. However, organized thinkers strive to become self-determining by critically evaluating external influences and forming their own independent opinions. Why is it crucial to be discerning about the information we accept as truth? Not all information is created equal. Sources like gossip, hearsay, and biased opinions can distort facts and lead to inaccurate conclusions. Organized thinkers cultivate a questioning mindset and rely on reason, logic, and intuition to validate information before accepting it as truth. What are the benefits of adopting organized thinking as a way of life? The benefits of organized thinking are far-reaching. Increase productivity. By working with a clear purpose and plan, individuals can achieve more in less time. Enhance problem solving. The ability to analyze situations objectively and develop effective solutions improves. Greater self-reliance. Individuals become less dependent on the opinions and actions of others. Improved relationships. Clear communication and a collaborative mindset foster stronger relationships. Peace of mind. By directing thoughts towards constructive goals, individuals experience greater mental clarity and inner peace. Increase happiness. The achievement of goals and a sense of purpose contribute significantly to overall well-being. What is controlled attention? Controlled attention is the ability to coordinate all faculties of the mind and focus their combined power on a single objective. This focused mental state involves harnessing willpower, emotions, reason, conscience, memory, imagination, intuition, and the subconscious mind. It is a high degree of self-mastery that enables individuals to achieve extraordinary results. How does controlled attention work in practical terms? Think of your mind like a magnifying glass. Scattered sunlight has little power, but when focused through the lens onto a single point, it can ignite a fire. Controlled attention works similarly by focusing mental energy onto a definite purpose. This focused mental state is achieved by consistently directing thoughts and actions towards a desired outcome, eliminating distractions, and cultivating a positive mental attitude. What is the role of definiteness of purpose in controlled attention? Definiteness of purpose is the foundation of controlled attention. Without a clear and specific goal, mental energy becomes dispersed, making it difficult to achieve meaningful results. By establishing a definite major purpose, you provide your mind with a focal point, activating the power of harmonious attraction that draws resources, people, and opportunities towards you. How does the mastermind principle enhance controlled attention? The mastermind principle involves collaborating with others who share your goals and can contribute their knowledge, skills, and resources. This synergistic alliance amplifies individual efforts, providing motivation, inspiration, and a broader perspective. A mastermind group acts as a powerful support system, reinforcing focus and driving progress towards the common objective. Can controlled attention be applied to any field or profession? Yes, controlled attention is a universal principle applicable to any endeavor, be it business, science, art, or personal development. From renowned inventors like Thomas Edison and Alexander Graham Bell to successful entrepreneurs like Andrew Carnegie and Henry Ford, history is filled with examples of individuals who achieved extraordinary results through focused effort and determination. What is the connection between controlled attention and success consciousness? Success consciousness is a belief in one's ability to achieve desired outcomes. Through controlled attention, individuals repeatedly direct their mental energy towards success, creating a positive feedback loop. As they experience progress and overcome challenges, their belief in themselves strengthens, fostering a mindset that attracts further success. How does controlled attention help overcome obstacles and setbacks? Controlled attention provides resilience and perseverance in the face of adversity. By focusing on solutions rather than dwelling on problems, individuals can maintain a positive mental attitude and channel their energy towards overcoming challenges. This mental state helps convert defeats into valuable lessons, fueling even greater determination and ultimately contributing to success. Can controlled attention be developed and strengthened? Yes, controlled attention is a skill that can be cultivated through practice and discipline. Start by setting clear goals, developing a plan of action, and eliminating distractions. Cultivate positive mental habits by focusing on solutions, embracing challenges, and learning from setbacks. Regular practice of these principles will gradually strengthen your ability to control your mind and direct your energy towards achieving your desired outcomes.